Hello everyone, welcome back for another YouTube video.
Today, we will be learning on how to use mail merge on Microsoft Word.
We will use the certificate template provided.
Firstly, you need an Excel setup or pre-existing list that will be used as a database.
At the top menu, click the Mailings tab.
Click Select Recipients. Use an existing list.
Locate and open the list. Select the correct sheet. Click OK.
Click Preview Image. Due to an error, you have to manually match the data with the placeholder on the document. And now, do the rest for the rest of the data.
Use the arrows to view different names and data.
If everything checks out, then you have successfully used Mail Merge.